Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talks, where learning English is simple and practical. I'm Alex.
Hello, Alex, and hello, everyone. I'm Sarah. I'm happy to be here today.
Great to have you here, Sarah. Today, we are going to talk about a very important question that many people hear in interviews.
Yes, that's right. The question is, tell me about yourself.
Exactly. It looks simple, but many people don't know how to answer it correctly.
Yes, sometimes people feel nervous and don't know what to say.
Don't worry. Today, we will show you how to answer this question step by step. All right, Sarah, let's imagine this is a real interview. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, tell me about yourself.
Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Sarah, and I am 25 years old. I live in Casablanca, Morocco. I recently graduated from university where I studied business management. During my studies, I developed strong skills in communication and teamwork. I also completed an internship in a small company where I helped with customer service and basic administrative tasks. In my free time, I enjoy reading books, learning languages, and improving my professional skills. I am a motivated and organized person, and I always try to learn new things. I am looking for an opportunity where I can grow and gain more experience.
That was a great answer, Sarah.
Thank you. I tried to keep it simple and clear.
Yes, and that's very important. Your answer was well organized.
Can you explain why this answer is good?
Of course. First, you started with basic information, your name, age, and where you live. Then, you talked about your education. After that, you mentioned your experience. And finally, you spoke about your personality and your goals.
So, it's like a structure.
Exactly, a simple structure. Who you are, what you studied, your experience, your skills, and goals.
Can you give another example?
Sure, let me try. My name is Alex, and I am currently a student. I study English and communication. I have a strong interest in languages, and I enjoy helping others learn English. I have some experience creating online content, such as videos and simple lessons. I am a creative and hardworking person. I like working with people and learning new skills. In the future, I would like to work in education or digital media.
That's a very clear answer.
Thank you. As you can see, the sentences are simple, but they are effective.
What are some common mistakes?
Good question. Here are some mistakes to avoid. First, don't talk too much about personal life. Second, don't give very short answers like, I am a student. Third, don't speak without structure.
Yes, structure is very important.
Also, try to speak slowly and clearly.
Can you give some tips for beginners?
Of course, use simple sentences. Practice your answer before the interview. Speak with confidence. Smile and be natural.
These tips are very helpful.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, try to answer this question. Tell me about yourself.
You can write your answer in the comments.
For example, my name is, I am, I study, I like.
Keep it simple and clear.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope this lesson helps you improve your English.
Don't forget to practice every day.
Practice makes perfect.
See you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.